Have you ever considered turning your research results or scientific project into actual products or services on the European market? Have you ever felt that you would only need some financial and business development support to start your own business? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, then the EVO-R activity is one of the right EIT manufacturing risk activity for you. In the EVOR activity, EIT Manufacturing RIS supports organizations bringing small-scale manufacturing-related solutions originating from EIT RIS countries to the pan-European and global markets. In 2021, as a direct effect of the EVOR activity, 24 organizations are supported, out of which 6 are newly created startups to develop new products and services. One of the biggest challenges is the scarcity of funding in EIT risk countries to support researchers, universities, and SMEs to transform manufacturing-related research results or deep tech innovations into commercially available products and services. The ultimate benefit of the program, of the EVO-R activity, is the creation of new spin-offs, SMEs, and startups. The new solutions will help solving current problems in manufacturing and eventually serve the prosperity of the European citizens. Structure-wise, in the first half of the year, we ran an immersive communication campaign. We selected 24 organizations which are supported financially and are also mentored from a business development perspective. The selected 24 organizations have received 30K, up to 30K, to develop further their ideas. Besides the 30K, each team will have 3 dedicated mentoring sessions and additional support throughout the implementation of their EVO-R projects. I believe that there's nothing which describes more the success of the program than the testimonials of the teams. Let me grab one particular, which is from Tiago Neves. He is representing the Fiber Loop EVO-R project. His quote is the following: "With the EVO-R support, we managed to create value from a laboratory prototype, transform it into an industry-ready product, and prepare the market launch and the first marketing campaign."